Start with an A3 piece of paper and fold it in half lengthwise. Then fold it in thirds horizontally. This way, when you open the piece of paper up, you should have 6 equal squares. Start in the crease in the middle of the top third of your piece of paper and draw a mouth-like shape, similar to a heart. This should come down about a third of the way into your second third. Draw another outline of the mouth about a centimetre inside the mouth that you have already drawn. Next, from the centre top point of the mouth, draw 2 diagonal lines, one on each side of the tiki, so one on the left, one on the right, going up to the top 2 corners of the page. Now draw a curved line following the lines on each side of the page. This should be on top of the line and on the bottom of the line, so you'll end up with an almond-shaped looking eye. Now create the face by following the top left-hand corner down to the middle of the mouth of the tiki on the left-hand side. Then do the same for the right. Now add a tongue to the centre of the mouth and 2 pupils for the eyes. One of the typical features of Maori tiki drawings is they double up the outlines. Now you've already done this with the mouth and you've created the face, but what you need to do is create a second line underlining the bottom of your eyes. You have now completed your tiki's face. We now need to create the tiki's body. What you would do is come about halfway in from the tiki's mouth at the bottom and draw a square-like shape on each side of the tiki. This is representing the arms. Create a second line on the inside of where you've drawn for the tiki's arms so that there's some substance to it. These arms should take up most of the second third of the page. Now you need to create the body because currently the tiki's arms are hanging in the middle of nowhere. So what you need to do is just draw a straight line down to follow the tiki's body. This should come about a third of the way into the third third of the page. Now to draw the legs. The legs will come out like it's posing in a haka kind of position. So you will take it out similar to the way you've done your arms, but it will just come in an R shape down to the bottom of the page. Do this for each side. Similar to what you have done with the arms, create a second outline to follow the legs around and again give it some substance. Tikis always have 3 fingers on each hand and 3 toes on each foot. So now do this. They should be quite square. You have now finished the first drawing of your tiki. The next step would be to add some colour and features that resemble you. Remember, you can change features of the tiki to suit you better. For example, the tongue doesn't have to be a typical triangle shape. The mouth could be more accentuated, sometimes in the form of a heart. You can change the size of the pupils and add things on the tiki's body that resemble you. Everywhere, which I have highlighted on my tiki, is places that I would outline the tiki with chalk. Now what happens with chalk is when it is dyed, no matter what colour it was originally, it will turn into black, which makes it a really good way to outline your tiki. After sketching any other features which you would like with your tiki, what you will do is colour these in with crayon or pastel. This means at the end of your tiki, any parts that are left white are going to be dyed. So you need to be careful that everything that is coloured is what you want and everything that is left white is what you would like dyed. Make sure you are